About a year into creating YouTube Shorts, I finally cracked the code to going viral consistently. And today, I'm handing you that blueprint. This isn't going to be one of those generic, use these hashtags, tutorials. We're skipping all the basic fluff. Instead, you're about to learn the exact formula that top creators use to explode their shorts. So lock in, grab a notebook if you need, and let's get started. Section 1. Understanding the YouTube algorithm. Before we can break the algorithm, we have to understand how it actually works, and how to leverage it. First things first, it's not random, and it has nothing to do with luck. The YouTube algorithm promotes the most engaging content. So if you can create shorts with high retention and strong engagement, going viral becomes inevitable. Let me prove it. When I first started making shorts, I had no clue what I was doing. Most of my videos couldn't even break 100 views. But I kept improving, and eventually, I started seeing real growth. It took me about 4 months to hit 10,000 subscribers on that first channel. But when I launched my second channel, with more experience and better content, I hit 10K in just 3 weeks. So trust me, the algorithm rewards quality. If your content hits the right notes, YouTube will push it. Section 2. Choosing the right topics. Nothing else you do matters if your topic is weak. A compelling topic is the foundation of every viral short. Without it, your video has no chance. So start here, think about your audience. Who are they? What do they want to see? What's already working in your niche? Research top performing channels in your space and reverse engineer their most successful shorts. Let me show you an example. I found a creator whose channel exploded by targeting school-age kids. But when he shifted away from that audience, his views plummeted. Then he pivoted back to content for younger viewers, and boom, the views shot back up. It's that simple. Know your audience. Give them what they want. Now, picking the right topic is just the start. Let's look at how you deliver that topic, because even good ideas can flop with poor execution. Section 3. Execution matters. A bad example. Here's a short that should have done well. MrBeast shared the key secret to his success on YouTube, and it's not what you'd expect. Sounds interesting, right? The topic is strong. The hook works. Viewers are intrigued, but then, just 5 seconds in, MrBeast reveals the secret. Boom. Payoff delivered. Mystery gone. Viewers got what they came for, and they scroll away. The mistake? The creator paid off the premise too fast. You want to build anticipation, not kill it in the first few seconds. Keep viewers watching by spacing out the story and saving the payoff for the end. Section 4. Editing plus structure equals success. Now let's talk editing and structure, how you present the content. I use a simple system called HPC, H, hook P, progression C, climax. Let's break it down. Hook, first 5 seconds. This is the most critical part of your short. You need to introduce the topic and spark curiosity immediately. Check out this example. I want to be the first person to have a snowball fight in the desert. Fast. Intriguing. Full of questions. Where's the snow coming from? Why the desert? What happens next? Perfect hook. Progression. This is where you fulfill the promise of your hook. In the snowball example, the creator doesn't just say, here's a cooler of ice. No, he takes us on a journey to the mountains to find snow. It's engaging, it's fun, and it builds tension. Climax. This is the moment your viewer gets what they came for. The big payoff, in this case, a literal snowball fight in the desert. Everything needs to tie together. Great editing and pacing enhance the structure and storytelling. Section 5. Hosting strategy. Now, you've got great content, but you're still limiting your views if you don't understand how to post it properly. And no, I'm not just talking about titles and hashtags. Let's talk timing and consistency. Through trial and error, I found something surprising. Day of the week didn't matter. But the time of day did. My morning uploads always perform better, but that's because my audience is active in the morning. You can find your best time in YouTube Studio right pointing arrow analytics right pointing arrow audience. Check when your viewers are most active, and post then. As for how often to post, I've tried everything. 4 times a day, too much, quality dropped. 2 times a week, too little, lost momentum. 1 time a day was the sweet spot. Enough to stay consistent without sacrificing quality. If daily feels like too much, go slower, but don't disappear for too long. Consistency equals algorithm trust. Outro. So there you go, the real formula for going viral with YouTube Shorts. Master your topics. Structure your content using HPC. Post with intention. And stay consistent. If you want even more advanced strategies, especially on improving retention, check the link in the description.